Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use keyframe in VN video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my VN video editor, and as you can see, I have added sticker to this project, and I'm going to use the keyframe tool to animate the sticker. Basically, we can use the keyframe tool to animate an object in VN, and I'm going to use it to create bounce effect for the sticker. So first of all, I'm going to tap on this sticker, and then we can click on keyframe. I'm going to adjust the pointer first. Okay, I'm going to place this pointer right here at the beginning of the video, then tap on the keyframe, and I'm going to move to the right and move the sticker down to create bounce effect. Okay, just like this. The keyframe will be added automatically. We just need to go left or go right like this, guys. Okay, and I'm going to play the video to take a look at the final result. As you can see that the bounce effect has been created. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use keyframe in VN video editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.